Welcome to another video on wireless collaboration with DoTel. My name's Harry and I'll be going through a general overview of Wildix. This is going to be really surface level because Wildix is just such an in-depth system. There's a lot of information to cover, so we're going to give you a bit of an overview of what the application looks like, and I'll be showing what some of the desk phones and mobile apps and things look like too. So this is the colleagues tab. So once you first ever logged in, you're going to be on the colleagues tab or the chat or something like that. But generally this works as a phone. This is a soft phone. So Wildix is really unique in that you can have your desk phone, mobile app, and your browser all logged into one extension. So there are applications built for both Windows and Mac OS, but I'm just using Chrome. So it's just like logging into a CRM or Facebook or anything. It's a really, really neat platform. Probably one of the best phone systems out there for just giving you that flexibility of how you use it. So as you can see up here, I've got to search or dial a number. I can click in here and dial any number. So I'm going to dial my direct line, and the system initiates a phone call. So the system would just start ringing and my direct line on my mobile app is calling. So it's a really neat system for users who are working from home, or people who just want to use their desktop, or people who want kind of a combination of devices, or even people who just want a desk phone. There are many users out there that just want a desk phone to sit on the desk and ring, and if that's all you want to use of the system, that's fine. And I think that's kind of one of the really nice things about Wildix, is you get all of that. So a couple of things I'm going to point out that I just really like about the system that's different to other cloud soft phones. There are many kind of different systems out there. We've all seen lots of big different players and how they all do things differently, but something I really like about this system is just how easy it is to navigate, how easy it is to dial, being able to choose which device rings. So as soon as I open up my iPhone here and click into the app, you see that I've got iOS. So I can make calls directly via my iPhone if I want to. I can send SMSs, I can send faxes, I can have post-its for other colleagues, I can create group chats, so I can do a lot just purely in my browser. I've also got all my function keys, and what I really like for this system is I can still have my function keys like I have on my desk phone, but in the app, which means there's a kind of a level of customization that you get for the system as a user. I get to have my own programmable keys, and lots of other systems don't let you do that and don't let you see it. I want my soft phone to be able to do everything that a desk phone can and more, right? This is kind of what we're expecting now with business communications. So additionally, I've got my chats, so I can have a full unified communication system, so I can send chats, receive chats, I can have group text messaging with clients. So this one, I've obviously have to blur out some information for confidentiality, but I've got 9 people in this group that can send and receive text messages. We've got our phone book, so I can have hundreds, if not thousands of people in here, either company-wide or just specific to certain users. I've got my full call history, so I can view all the calls that I've made from my extension. All my voicemails, so I can click them, play them in the browser, don't have to worry about downloading anything or anything like that. I've got my analytics for if you're a premium user, you can see all of that. My personal settings, I've got a ton of different settings I can change here should I choose to, or I can just take the default setup that your administrator set up, and that's kind of what's nice about it. Just lots of different unique features that you can customize to your liking, which I think is really what communications is about, because we're all in different industries and doing different things. Another piece I like is being able to change my status on the go. So I can set myself to away, and my other colleagues see that dynamically update in their colleagues tab. So I can see in this demo system, I've got Gary available. He's got a desk phone logged in, but other users, so Daniel is offline, so he's logged out. So I can't reach Daniel right now, and I know that because he's logged out. I could see that before even attempting to call, so I can call him and leave a voicemail, or I can send him a message just by clicking the message icon. So there are a few really nice features here. Let's see, I can just click, send him a message, have attachments, I can post it, I can do use voice dictation for my message, and then he'll see that as soon as he's online, and it'll actually ping him if he's got his the applications installed on his iPhone or Android device. So there's lots of really neat features and some amazing desk phones. So we've got the workforce phone that we usually mostly use for most other users. but we've got some really nice ones for the welcome console, for reception. There's the vision and supervision models for like top managers. If you want the touchscreen model, it runs full Android. You can have analytics. The call center reporting is a phenomenal feature in this system. So you get everything you want from a call center style report, and it works across multiple different browsers, devices, Windows, Mac OS, everything. It works really nice for, and it looks the same. And I think that's a piece that I like about it, is that you don't have to worry if you're using the device on Android or Mac or anything else. It works consistently across it, and it has the same look and feel, so you can jump between devices really, really easily. The last piece I would say is that because it's browser-based, I don't have to worry about updating my applications or any sort of compromise, or if someone's using an old application and they haven't updated the version, or if they've turned off automatic updates and that kind of thing. If I want the updated version, I just click refresh on my browser, and each time I load Chrome, I have the latest version of the application, and I don't have to worry about doing software updates. So for IT administrators, this is sort of a dream come true when it comes to installing applications and working with software, because you can integrate all your users with Office 365, and then they just log in via the browser, and they can log in via Microsoft. So they can authenticate themselves in however way your organization sees fit, and then the system does all the magic for you behind the scenes. So this is kind of a good general overview of Wildix and how it works. Thank you for watching, and this is Harry with DoTel. Please let us know if you have any questions.